Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your author name in WordPress. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your author name in WordPress. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to WordPress. Then go ahead into your dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on users, and then click on the user which you want to go ahead and edit the author name for. So go ahead and scroll down, and then afterwards, where it says your first name, nickname, and display name publicly, this is where you could actually go ahead and change your name. So if you change your name here, the toggle button that you see here should change, and you can display your name publicly as either of these. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your author name in WordPress. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.